This video covers how to create lists. Lists are a great feature of eBranch. There are different types of lists available to you. Firstly, there are three types of shared lists. Frequently purchased items. These are the items that you have purchased over the past 12 months. Account favorites. This is where you, as the customer, have added an item to account favorites to share with others. And there are central lists. The L&H marketing team creates lists based on current specials. Then there are lists created by you, the customer. You or one of your employees can upload a CSV file with our 6.1 part numbers. You can also create a list by adding items from the catalogue. To view existing lists or to create a new list, click on My Lists. Here you can see the shared lists, frequently purchased items, your most frequently purchased items over the past 12 months. This is updated daily, and account favorites, which have been created by the account admin to share with others. Under My Lists are the lists created by you. You can also see if it was a list created by you and shared, or a list created by someone else and shared. To create a new list, click on Create New List. You need to give your list a name, then clicks on Save List. In this example, you are going to upload a CSV file that you have created with our 6.1 part numbers on it. The Excel spreadsheet needs to be in this format. Click Upload. The CSV file was uploaded successfully. At this point, you can add this list to the cart. You can add additional items to the list. You can select items from the list to add to the cart, and there are also other actions. The other actions that you can do from here are Save, if you have modified the list, Save As, if you wish to save it as another name, copy the list to another user that is attached to the account. This means the other user will own the list and can modify the list. You can share the list with other users. However, the other users cannot modify the list. Only the person who created the list can make modifications to the list, unless you copy it to another user. You can print it, download it, rename the list, and delete the list. Let's look at sharing the list. Because you have shared the list with others, the system has been set up so no one else can actually access the list for 30 minutes, as this gives you time to edit or play with the list. It will automatically unlock after 30 minutes or once you save and close the list, whichever is sooner. Let's now create a new list from the eBranch catalogue. Click on My Lists. Click on Create New List. Give the list a name. Click Save List. Click Add Items to List. As per a previous video on how to search for product, you can search using keywords. Click on the products you wish to add to your list. Then click on Add Selected Items to List. Again, you can share the list by going to List Actions and clicking on Share. Remember, if you are sharing the list with other users, they cannot modify the list. Only the person who created the list can modify the list. If you want someone else to have access to the list so they can make changes to the list, then you should copy to user instead. When you copy to user, this means the other user can modify their list. You will get that same message again regarding the shared list being locked whilst you edit it. The list is automatically saved. And that concludes our video on creating lists.